The Ministry of Labour and Small Enterprise Development launched a national workplace policy on HIV and AIDS earlier today. Now, the policy aims to enable persons living with HIV and those affected by HIV to continue to be productive in their places of employment in the country. Marie Hull reports.
Recently, Health Minister Terence Singh said with an estimated 11,000 people with the HIV/AIDS virus in Trinidad and Tobago, more needs to be done to address the stigma in the workplace. At the launch of the National Workplace Policy on HIV and AIDS, Minister of Labour and Small Enterprise Development Jennifer Batiste-Primer said, with a national labour force of approximately 600,000 people, it is of utmost importance to address the human rights of people living with HIV and their right to work.
The benefits to the implementation of workplace policies and programs on HIV and AIDS are numerous as they promote a non-discriminatory environment and provide HIV prevention education to all workers and reducing risk of infection.
She said while the policy is not new, this revised version will ensure it's consistent with relevant national and international targets, as well as commitments to new developments in HIV and AIDS.
These benefits must also include keeping employees' medical files and personal information confidential, and ensuring that hiring and promotions are based on experience, qualifications, and fitness to work rather than on that person's HIV status.
The minister said while there are no measures put in place to penalize businesses that refuse to employ affected persons, she is hoping the ministry campaign to educate the population on the HIV virus will encourage firms and organizations to create such a policy.
Not at this point in time. We'll give the workplace policy the time to work, to really settle in the minds and hearts of employers. And not only employers and employees, all of us as ordinary citizens of this country. All of us do some kind of job. All of us have an employer outside of those who are fortunate to be self-employed. But outside of the large percentage of persons, they do have bosses, they do have various workplaces.
The Ministry of Labour and Small Enterprise also rebranded the previous unit, known as the National HIV/AIDS Workplace Advocacy and Sustainability Centre, to the HIV Workplace Advocacy Unit. Marie Hull, CNews.